Welcome to our channel. Here we are presenting our interests in sharing videos based on biological topics. We are using self-made notes, books of several renowned authors, drawings, diagrams, and charts, and descriptive analysis of major to minor aspects. We wish to throw light on syllabuses of PhD entrance exams like CSIR, NEET, DBT, TIFR, GATE, ICMR, etc., as well as graduation and master degree level exams. Biology itself, a large scientific field to explore. It would be endless learning journey of us. We wish our effort may help you guys. Thank you for being here. Stay with us if you find any of our posting videos fruitful. Keep sharing with your friends and feel free to subscribe.